Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite.